Hello, here I will presenting Excel dashboard or talk about its benefit. Now first we will see what our data is and what we'll do with it. Suppose this is the data of SN Corporation order list. It consists so many rows and columns like customer name, region, segment, categories, sales and profits, everything in this data. Now let's come to the pivot table analysis. In this analysis, we can use that data to extract and everything about the corporation. Basically, table helps a lot of making chart or also very interactive. In this table, we can use in pivot table like suppose we extract the data of top 5 customers. Then here is the data. We can see. We can also see like we can extract total sales, total profit, total quantity in terms of subcategory. Then here is the data. Like we can take bookcases data. So here is the quantity sum of sales 2,73,666. Just like we can analysis all the data of the company. Suppose total quantity sold in different regions like central regions, total quantity sold is 8,498. How much order placed in year wise in 2018 like 11,56,872. This is the data of the company. Order placed in which mode of shipping like economy, economy plus, intermediate, priority. Countries wise total sales like in Ireland how many sales in Ireland, how much sales, sorry, 8,756. This is the data of the pivot table. Now come to the dashboard which I can make. Here is the dashboard. Here we can see the total sales of the data, total cost, total profit, everything. This is the dashboard of SN Corp. Now in this we can see everything about the company, like who is doing the most sales, which country is doing the most sales, which region is having more sales and profit. Like suppose in central region we can see everything about the which how many quantities sold in central region, like in north. So how many then how many quantities in north region like 3503. We can also see which countries, which country have the have capacity to how much sold items, like quantity in Austria is 484. Which type of mode in Austria using economy, economy plus, intermediate, everything we can see in this dashboard. So we can analyze all the data of the company about this through this dashboard. Now come to the part of conclusion. Here is the conclusion. Based on the SN Corp provided, here are some key conclusions like sales and profit overview. Top performing customers like Holal Hughes have the highest sales. Subcategory insight like bookcases have generated highest sales. Regional performance, South region dominates sales. Country-wise performance like Germany have lead in total sales. Trend analysis 2020 have great achievement of this company. Ship mode performance, economy mode is the most utilized shipping method. Actionable recommendation. In this we can, this is basically a feedback of the company, like focus on north and central region to boost their contribution to sales and profit. This is the conclusion of the company. Thank you.